What's up, everyone? Here in the car, I'm driving across the country from Las Vegas to Dallas, Texas, and along the way I'm stopping at thrift stores and everything, see what I can pick up on the journey. You can see right now it's beautiful here in Arizona. I'm trying to get to Flagstaff, and I'm gonna go to a few thrift stores and stuff there. I stopped at a thrift store earlier in the morning today and was able to find a Pro Staff Wilson tennis racket. Research that on eBay, you'll know how much it's worth. It's freaking sweet. So stay tuned, I'll keep showing what I find. Oh, never mind. Guess it was closed. Alright, we actually found the right Goodwill this time. And wait, is the entrance? Alright, what's up? We made it to the Goodwill in Flagstaff. We're in here now. Gonna go see what I can find. I'm looking at some of the Halloween stuff. So check it, I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'm scanning down the titles. Boom, see these? This is 3 different games. Chuzzle doesn't sell, I don't get that. But Jumpstart Reading for 2nd graders, Jumpstart 4th Grade Adventures Deluxe. These will probably, they might sell. It's worth taking out and giving a look. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. If we go to the next thing, you know, you're scanning down. That one is upside down. Nope, not a game. You go down. All right, Sims Double Deluxe. Sometimes I can sell. This is the weirdest. This is actually a weird product because regular Sims for the PC, the original, will sell every single time you pick it up. Every time I find the regular Sims, I'll always pick it up because it always sells. Sims Double Deluxe, which is the original Sims with more on it, never sells that well. And I'm like, what the hell? It doesn't make any sense. But that's what you get. This is what I got in my haul. I like to look at toys and video games. Generally, I can always usually find something. So I like to put it all in the cart, and then I'm gonna go sit down and go through each of them to see what they're really worth. That way I can just kind of, it's just usually faster. You know, just kind of throw it in the cart, look at it, and then just put it back after I'm done. So that's what I got. A lot of toys and video games today. You see things like at the bag, so I'll go over to the wall and just look through the bags of different kind of interesting things, like different plushes, like this guy. I thought he might be a rare Beanie Boo because of his eye color, but he's not. So just different things like that. Yeah, so you just try it all out. And then board games, toys, stuffed animals. You just kind of go through it all and throw it in, and then I'm gonna go sit down and look it all up. After everything we did, we picked up a couple of toys. This is an old 90s toy called Brain Warp. Look it up on eBay. I'll show a little screenshot. You'd be surprised. So definitely getting this for $3.50. Worth it. Found this. This is a bunch of old rubber X-Men toys from 1991. Plus an Ultraman toy. Plus $3.50. I'm gonna pick it up. It might take a little while to sell. This is kind of a gamble, but it has a Sailor Moon plush. Luna is the name. And the other things weren't worth anything, but Sailor Moon always does well. $3.50. I'm still debating. I might not even take it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably take it though. Then we got Age of Empires game, Princess Bride Barbie. These are PC games, and then Guitar Hero Warriors of Rock Xbox 360. All pretty good and pretty cheap. I think they're all either $2 or $3. So worth it. That's what we got so far. So this is the last stop. A lot of the small thrift stores in this town were closed because of COVID stuff, for whatever reason. So there's only like Goodwill's open, and then fortunately Savers. And I have a $20 coupon, which I forgot in my car, so I gotta go get it. And let's see what we find here. And then we'll be moving out of Flagstaff. Went through Savers, got everything. Went through the hats, nothing on the hats. This is what we got. So a shit ton of toys, a lot of video games to go through. So I'm just gonna go through, like I said, I go through the store, I put them all in the cart, and then I sit down and just kind of quickly search them up, just do quickly, and then I sort it out through there. So I make like a yes pile, a no pile, and a maybe pile until I sort it out. Because I don't like to just buy shit, and then if it doesn't sell, I'm stuck with it. I like to make sure what I'm getting is gonna sell as best it can. So yeah, got a lot of research to do, see what we find. Honda score, I mean, epic. We got freaking awesome Transformers toy, other toys over here, a bunch of different things, and then check it out, the video games, epic score. Flight Simulator X Deluxe Editions, Pikmin, that game's like $30-40 right there. Doom 2, one of my favorite games of all time, plus Ultimate Doom, Final Fantasy, and then this is a font for Disney. They don't make it anymore. It's worth some money, so man, we scored. It's Savers Day. It's like $2 each for these things. So I got each of these things for like $2. Freaking epic. All right, so now I'm gonna grab a bite to eat at this cafe called Mary's Cafe. Seems to be just a local place on the side of a road. Just wanted to try instead of something like a fast food place. So yeah, we'll take it eat before I drive another 4.5 hours out to Albuquerque, New Mexico. And hopefully they got some good thrifting there too, so we'll find out. Stay tuned.